What's up everybody and welcome to another Get Real session here to Lego Mathematics, and I've got an interesting scenario for you, so let's listen to this. A missile is fired from a military base O. The motion of the missile is described by the equation d is equal to negative t squared plus 10t, where d represents the height of the missile above the ground in kilometers and t the time in seconds. So guys, this was the distance that the missile went. It started from O and it went all up until down. So A, we have to calculate the highest distance of the missile above the ground. So guys, the turning point of the parabola will give the highest distance of the missile above the ground. So we use the formula t is equal to negative b all over 2a to obtain the t coordinates of the turning point. So d is equal to negative 1t squared plus 10, and a will be equal to negative 1 and b will be equal to 10. Therefore t will be equal to negative 10 all over 2 into negative 1, which will be 5. So guys, after 5 seconds the missile will reach its highest distance above the ground. Now we have to substitute t5 into the original equation of the motion to get the highest distance above the ground. So guys, when we've substituted it, we get it to be equal to 25. B, after how many seconds will the missile hit the ground after being fired? The missile will hit the ground when the height above the ground is 0. D is equal to negative 1t squared plus 10t. Therefore 0 is equal to negative 1t squared plus 10. Therefore t squared minus 10t is equal to 0. We had to arrange it in order for it to be a perfect equation, and therefore t will be equal to 0 or t will be equal to 10. Guys, therefore the missile will hit the ground after 10 seconds. As you see over here, it started at O and went up and then it went down after 10 seconds. So see, we have to calculate the average speed of the missile between t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 4 and explain what is happening. So at t is equal to 1, d is equal to negative 1 squared plus 10 times 1 is equal to 9 kilometers, and at t is equal to 4, d is equal to negative 4 squared plus 10 times 4, which is equal to 24 kilometers, and the average speed is equal to 24 minus 9 over 4 minus 1, which is equal to 15 over 3, which is equals to 5 kilometers per second. Okay guys, the missile is moving upwards because the average speed is positive. As you can see, it is 1919 and then 424, and the list goes on. And then D, calculate the average speed of the missile between t is equal to 6 and t is equal to 8, and also explain what is happening. So at t is equal to 6, d is equal to negative 6 squared plus 10 times 6, which is equal to 24 kilometers, and at t is equal to 8, d is equal to negative 8 squared plus 10 times 8, which is 16 kilometers, and the average speed is 16 minus 24 over 8 minus 6, which is negative 8 over 2, which is negative 4 kilometers per second. The missile is moving downwards because the average speed is negative, as you can see over here in this image. So guys, until next time, keep it real and stay sharp with the mathematics.